This week we're celebrating the icon that is
Bridget Jones,
who has a sneaking suspicion that she is somewhat of a genius in the kitchen.
No, not as such.
For today's dish, we're going to do a Bridget version.
Delicious.
And thankfully, an additional edible version.
I think that deserves a toast, don't you?
So without further ado...
Come the on, Bridget!
eat up.
Excellent.
It's delicious. Really special.
It's really very good.
It really is very nice.
We're going to avoid the dreaded string and instead prep 1 leek, 1 onion, 2 medium potatoes, 3 celery stalks, and 2 cloves of garlic. Grab yourself a large pot and melt a generous knob of butter.
Oh, he's just a big knobhead with no knob.
Add the leek and onion and sweat those down for a few minutes.
I haven't really got time right now.
Once they're nice and sweaty,
He's a nasty bastard.
chuck in the potato and the celery and give them a few minutes to get to know one another.
We belong together, Jones.
Go in with the garlic and a teaspoon of dried thyme and cook for a couple of minutes until the garlic is fragrant.
Yeah, just give me a minute, will you, Simon? Thanks.
Season generously with pepper and a little salt, and then trickle in 800 millilitres of vegetable stock. And for a little creaminess, 200 millilitres of whole milk.
Just stir it, Una.
Whack up the heat and bring the soup up to a boil. Once your concoction is furiously bubbling away, reduce to a simmer, and then this needs 15 minutes until the potato is fork tender. Grab a stick blender and blitz until smooth. As ever, any equipment used in this video is linked in the description box below.
You're from the Home Shopping Channel.
To get a super smooth finish, strain the soup through a sieve to get rid of any pesky lumps. Give it a taste and season accordingly. To do Bridget proud and be true to the movie, drop in a couple of drops of blue food colouring. A little safer than blue string.
Silly Bridget.
And serve it up loud and proud.
I have to say, it's the most incredible shit.
Alternatively, for a more palatable presentation
Stay calm. Can't get any worse.
that's far from movie accuracy, serve with a swirl of creme fraiche, a little crispy pancetta, some homemade mini croutons, and a scattering of finely chopped chives. And there you have it, blue soup.
Christ, no. You.
And not so blue soup.
Very good idea.
If you enjoyed this video, please help us to make more by liking, subscribing, and saying hello in the comments below.
Hello.
You can find all our recipes and any equipment used in this video over on our website, biteclub.tv.
Thank you for the lovely dinner.
Remember, the first rule of Bite Club is you talk about Bite Club.